Welcome to the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast. Our podcast goal is to bring you information and inspiration on achieving your full potential. Our podcast comes out every week on Wednesday morning. Each episode focuses on developing the mental toughness to succeed in life, business, and athletics. We define mental toughness as the ability to move forward under pressure. We will discuss how to use the 5 P's to developing the mental toughness and help you prepare to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. I'm Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and I have 30-plus years of experience helping others develop their mental toughness so they can achieve everything they want in life. I have developed several startup companies from the ground up, along with being a business and physical education teacher and a head football coach at the high school here in Florida. I use all that experience to help others move forward towards success. My passion is to educate and inspire people to reach their full potential. So let's get this podcast episode started. Well, good morning to you out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, your expert source on how to establish the mental toughness to succeed, how to gain that ability to be able to move forward under pressure. Today's topic of discussion, how to manage distractions and stay focused. We all know, folks, there's going to be distractions in life. There's going to be setbacks. There's going to be mistakes made. There's going to be tragedy. How you deal with all of them distractions determines how far you will go towards achieving your goals. And hopefully you're a goal setter and you have goals. How to manage distractions and stay focused. Well, the key word is focused. How do you stay focused? How do you get past it? How do you get past the adversity and these problems in life? Remember, folks, life to me is nothing more than a series of problems. And everybody has the problems. Don't think that the problems are just finding you, because it's not true. Everybody has problems in life. It's how you deal with the problems that determines your level of success. How do you deal with your distractions in life? Do you have a coping mechanism? How do you stay focused when things are going bad all around you? Yes, focus, folks. Focus is a key component of mental toughness, as it allows individuals to direct their attention and energy towards achieving their goals despite the distractions, pressure, or challenges. We're going to give you 4 things on how focus relates to mental toughness, so you understand that focus is something that you actually control. Yes. Do you one of those ones who have a problem and you dwell on it, let it ruin your entire day? Let it ruin your entire month, your entire week? Or do you move past that? Do you handle the problem, move past it, and keep moving towards your goals, your action steps, your tasks for the day? That's the main objective each and every day. When you become a goal setter and you have mental toughness, your objective each and every day is to complete those tasks. So each and every day, you get one step closer to the achievement that you're after. That's the goal-setting part. Remember, folks, there's 3 phases of achievement. And if you can master all 3 of those phases, you'll achieve everything and anything that you want in this world. Those 3 phases are passion. Figure out what you love to do and make it your career. 2, goal setting. Have a written plan of action for your life, your blueprint, which will keep you on track when these distractions come. And that's one of the ways that you'll stay focused, is always working your tasks. And 3 is mindset. You can't have a negative mindset, especially when there's problems, especially when there's distractions. You cannot have a negative mindset because you're going to fall into that negativity and you're never going to be able to move forward. You have to get past the distractions, the setbacks, the problems, the tragedy in life. And folks, I understand the tragedy, the grief is the hardest one to get over. But if you're a goal setter and you master the 3 phases of achievement, you will get over it. It never ends. The grief never ends. You're going to have good days, good times, bad times. It's how do you stay focused? How do you manage the distractions in your world? We're going to give you 4 little steps here, but first we're going to take a short break because I want you to hear how you can master these 3 phases of achievement in your life. We'll be back in a moment. Are you looking to live an amazing life, a life full of motivation and fulfillment? Then you must master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. We've developed 3 great master classes so you can master those areas of your life. The first one is Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This self-improvement master class helps you find your passion or your purpose in life and shows you how to make it your career so you never have to work a day in your life. The second master class is Goal Setting. This self-improvement masterclass teaches you a step-by-step process on how to establish lifelong goals and master these 3 phases of achievement so you can achieve everything it is that you want in this world. And the third masterclass is on mindset, mental performance. This self-improvement masterclass develops your mental performance. It teaches you that mental toughness that's needed to succeed, that ability to be able to move forward under the pressures in life. Learn to control your thoughts, and you will control your life. You can now get all 3 of these great master classes for the price of 2 just by hitting that link in the show notes below. For additional information on each class, you can also hit the link in the show notes below or look us up over at our website, which is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Remember now, get your great 3 master classes for the price of 2 today. Hey, Coach P here, Jim Pusateri, and we are now back at Inspirational University, which is the home of the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast and book. Yes, folks, we have a book, Mental Toughness by Coach P. You can get all the information in the link in the notes below. It's over on Amazon. And remember, each and every day, Monday through Friday, we put out a 1-minute video with words of encouragement. Be sure to listen to our words of encouragement, these 1-minute videos, Monday through Friday. You can get it over on our YouTube channel, which is at Coach Jim Pusateri, at Coach P Jim Pusateri. There is a link in the show notes below. Be sure you subscribe to it and get that 1-minute video each morning to start your day. As always, we do have a free booklet. It's called the 5 P's to Developing Mental Toughness. And this will fully explain to you how to develop this mental toughness and gain this ability to be able to move forward in life. There's a link in the show notes below. We'll send that out to you free of charge. Today's topic, how to manage distractions and stay focused. That's what we're talking about, folks. Yes, focus. It's a key component of mental toughness as it allows individuals to direct their attention and energy towards achieving their goals, despite distractions, despite the pressure in life or the challenges in life. Here's how focus relates to mental toughness. Number 1, managing distractions. Mental toughness involves the ability to stay committed and focused on the task at hand, even when faced with external or internal distractions, such as negative thoughts. And researchers say you have 80% of the thoughts that come in your mind each day are negative. Pressure or discomfort. Being able to tune out distractions is a hallmark of mental resilience. Number 2, goal orientation. Focus helps maintain clarity about long-term objectives, allowing individuals to stay motivated and disciplined. Mental toughness is often characterized by a strong sense of purpose and the ability to sustain effort towards goals over time, even when obstacles arise. That's why goal setting is so important. You must have that written plan of action, that blueprint for your life, so you have that step-by-step process to achieve. And it's what helps you when the distractions happen. Number 3, emotional regulation. Mental toughness includes controlling emotions under stress. A focused mind prevents emotional distractions, like frustration or anxiety, from taking over and helps maintain performance in high-pressure situations. And number 4, adaptability. While mental toughness is often linked to perseverance, it also involves adjusting focus as needed. A mentally tough person can shift their focus to new strategies or actions when the original plan isn't working, showing flexibility and resilience. In essence, focus is the mental muscle that enables someone to maintain their resolve and stay on course, forming a critical part of mental toughness in both everyday life and performance-driven environments, such as athletes in sports or students in academics or business owners in the corporate world. Yes, folks, mental toughness, how you manage your distractions, will determine that ability that you need to move forward under all the pressure that life is going to bring with it. Hey, I apologize for the voice today. You know it's football season, and at some point during the season, I usually start to lose my voice. So I also want to throw a little shout out to all our listeners here in Florida. You know we have a hurricane, looks like it's coming on us tomorrow. Let's be safe. Let's get our properties ready and prepared. Best of luck to all our friends here in Florida. As always, I ask you to pay it forward by spreading this podcast, our content, and social media stuff all over your social medias so we can reach this world and help bring mental toughness, the ability to move forward under pressure, to everyone so they can obtain everything it is that they want to attain in this world. If you want to further today's discussion, we do have a community forum board. It's over on Kajabi. You go ahead and hit that link in the show notes below, become a member. Just remember, each day you have to log into it so you can get our words of encouragement are there. They're also over on our YouTube station, and you can further the discussion. Let us know how you feel about these podcasts and our words of encouragement each and every day. As always, please give us some feedback wherever you download your podcast. You can also give us a ranking, a 1-star to a 5-star over at iTunes. And hey, if there's something you're struggling with in this world, let us help you. Reach out to me and let us help you. My email, coachp@inspiringthem.com. That's coachp@inspiringthem.com. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is helping others reach their full potential by showing them how to move forward towards success, by helping them develop the ability to be able to move forward under pressure. So how can I help you develop your mental toughness so you can reach your full potential? Today's topic of discussion, how to manage distractions and stay focused. Let's have a great day out there. You Florida listeners, stay safe. Till we talk again. We are pleased to announce our book, Mental Toughness by Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Learn the ability to be able to move forward under pressure. It is now available on Amazon or wherever you purchase your books. This book is so important because everyone experiences death, setbacks, and makes mistakes in life. But most people let those setbacks and those mistakes frame the rest of their life. This book is here to help you move past those mental blocks and to learn how to use the 3 phases of achievement to obtain the success you seek. The book is available on Amazon or wherever you purchase books in a paperback or Kindle version. And be sure to check out our podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P, which airs every Wednesday, wherever you download your podcast. Let's have a great day. Let's move forward.